Magnificent 8-room 3,540 square foot raised ranch set on 0.92 acres in the White Hills area of Shelton. Offering 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, an open floor plan filled with plenty of natural lighting, this home has it all. Hardwood floor, crown molding throughout the generous sized rooms on the main level, custom tile floors in the finished lower level. The granite kitchen with L-shaped island to the living room and dining room with sliders leading to the large deck overlooking the backyard, provides access to the above-ground pool. Appliances in the kitchen include double-wall oven, dishwasher, gas cooktop and hood vent, dishwasher and refrigerator. The master suite with vaulted ceiling features 2 large closets and 1 walk-in closet and full bath with double sink, vanity and walk-in tiled shower. Another custom full bath serves the other 3 bedrooms. A great family room with stone fireplace.